Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Love Thy Life. I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. Today's video is going to be about an easy 3-minute breakfast. It's super healthy and nutritious. So if you guys would like to learn how I fix myself an easy breakfast, please keep watching. Other than that guys, also if you might be thinking where I was for last 2 Sundays, sorry, I've been MIA. I had a lot of things going on and I didn't just want to rush a video to post on every Sunday because I had to post one. I didn't want to post a video that I didn't believe in or would not go back and watch it again, so I decided to take some time off. I'm sorry I didn't notify you guys before I decided to take some time off. Hopefully that wouldn't happen again, and if it does, I guess sometimes we all need some time off, and but I'm back here with more goodness. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I'll post a new video next Sunday for sure. And other than that guys, let's just jump into how to get this breakfast done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do end up trying the delicious berry bowl we just created, make sure you do tag me in your pictures if you take any. And other than that guys, if you have any other suggestions or ideas for better breakfast recipes or how I can improve my videos, leave them in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave a link of my social media Instagram account down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram too, because I'm going to be posting a sneak peek of what's coming next Sunday. Other than that guys, I hope you enjoy your next week, and we'll see each other in about 6 days. See you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.